Hey, from Mitria.com, let's jump right in and uncover the shocking health risks literally hiding inside your old carpets.
You might think that freshly vacuumed floor is totally clean, right? Well, let's see what's actually beneath your feet.
It looks so warm and cozy, sure, but deep down, it's basically a massive reservoir for indoor pollutants. Carpets act like giant, unemptied filters. They literally trap road dust, nasty pesticides, and microplastics deep in their fibers.
Over time, all that junk creates the ultimate hangout spot for dust mites to munch on dead skin flakes.
This is awful for kids and allergy sufferers. It triggers serious sneezing, asthma flare-ups, and really wrecks their sleep. Obviously, we aren't eating our carpets, but we are constantly touching and breathing in all that trapped toxic dust. Let's talk moisture. A carpet absolutely doesn't have to look wet on top to be hiding massive risks underneath. Tiny leaks, AC condensation, or even overwetting during cleaning pushes water deep down, fueling completely invisible, toxic mold growth. This is huge. Mold growing under there isn't just gross to look at, it's a severe air quality hazard. To stop it, fix leaks fast, dry things rapidly, check that underlight, and definitely use a good dehumidifier. Stay proactive. Use HEPA vacuums, put down entrance mats, take off your shoes, and dry everything completely after cleaning. Honestly, sometimes cleaning isn't enough. If it's water damaged, smells bad, or keeps triggering allergies, ripping it out is safest. So ask yourself, is your carpet just a pretty design choice or a massive hidden health risk?